Paras here. Today we're gonna talk about what key things you have control on to make that $10,000 a month in your business. We don't have control on 10K a month, but we have control on certain things that can lead to that monthly revenue, monthly profit, things like that. My name is Paras. I'm an immigrant from India. I came to Canada about 5 years ago and I'm building my affiliate coaching business, and let's go. So first thing, why I'm creating this video. I was talking to a client, he's a coach recently, and he mentioned, I really want to make $10,000 a month. And he's like, I really want this number because this will fix my life, things like that. So he asked a question, how can I reach it? I told him, you don't have control on it at all. You don't have control on $10,000 at all. But then we got into conversation that what can the things we control in our business that can lead to that amount, that can lead to it. I will share a little backstory. I came to Canada about 5 years ago now. About 1 year ago, I started the business. Before that, I did number of jobs like door-to-door knocking, being a supervisor, security, like you name it, I have done it. I was so frustrated by that life that I really wanted that money so I can be away from the job. It can give me security as well. Never made this kind of money before, $10,000 a month. It got always thinking like I'm gonna put like this number, I will put on the pedestal and just run towards it. But something skipped my mind that I don't have control on it. And then slowly I got the realization it's not about controlling the $10,000 but about controlling what I have in my control that lead to that $10,000 a month. Then I switch my focus on not that 10,000, but instead of doing more things that will lead to that $10,000 a month. Hope this makes sense. We'll get into it in detail. What can you control in your business? No one on the planet have control on generating money, but they do the certain activities. They have certain habits they do that lead to the revenue. So first thing you have if you run a high ticket affiliate business, you have run a coaching business. First thing you have control on is creating content. Creating content basically means more marketing. More people can see your offers, more people can see your marketing, what you help people with, things like that. So if you create more content, imagine right now you're making $2,000 a month and you are putting out 7 pieces of content in a week. To make $10,000 a month, you just need to look at the numbers. You don't have to worry about you don't have to worry about, oh, it's not working. You just have to worry about, like, if you're putting 7 pieces of content in a week, it can be TikTok, it can be YouTube, it can be posts, it can be a Facebook Live, things like that. If this is leading to 7 posts leading to $2,000, what's gonna lead to $10,000? Just 5 times of it. 5 times of 7, 35. If you pick 35 pieces of content, more people will see your content, more people will get inspired, more people will take action, and this is definitely gonna lead to $10,000 a month. So does it make sense? You don't have control on 10,000, but you can control a certain thing. Second thing is the most important that you can control, because this only doesn't really work. It's more about in the coaching space, people don't buy your content, people buy you before buying the services you offer. Second is building relationship. Imagine right now you're talking to 5 people a day. 5 people a day. And then right now you're making just the same example, $2,000. 5 people a day, $2,000. How much you need to that $10,000 a month. So right now you're building relationship with these people, you're helping solving these people problem that, oh, you're fixing this for the problem, and eventually they buy. This goes hand in hand. You give more value and then they buy. It's simple as that. If you can't provide value, it's game over for you. So think about that. This will do this on scale, but this is really important to build the relationship, especially in the beginning stage. If you haven't crossed your first $10,000, if you're doing this, like trying to look at things like why it's not working, look at the relationship. Most of the time, this is lacking I see it every day. This is lacking to build relationship on scale. If you do 5 a day, it's like $150 a month. $150 a month. Now, see this number. You're making $2,000, it's $150 a month. Imagine you double this number to 10 conversations a month, 10 conversations a day. It's 100%, it's gonna lead to 4,000. Same if you lead to 15 conversations a day, it's gonna lead to 6,000. How much you need for that? So if you do 20, you 8,000. If you do 25 conversations a day, it's gonna lead to 10K a month. You don't have to worry about like why it's not working. Just do things in the volume that it requires. Track your numbers. It's so crucial to track your numbers. What are you doing? Because what's gonna happen if you don't track this, how many times I posted, you're gonna say, oh, it is easy to track because you are seeing in front of you how many times you posted. It's easy to track, but it's super crucial to do that. Now focus on building relationship. If you're at 5 a day, if you jump to 25 conversations a day, it's gonna lead to that number. Just 5 times everything. Next is really crucial, that leads to every single money, everything. 3 years appointments. Okay, so this is really crucial. So imagine you are doing this right. You're doing this right, but you're not able to book appointments and put in front of offers in front of people. This is simple math basics. If you put your offer in front of 5 people and one buy, one say yes, and you make $2,000 because you work in high ticket, I'm pretty sure. How many people you need to put in front of your offer that they're gonna say yes? Because not everybody will say yes. Even if you turn into a freaking millionaire, not everyone will say yes, because sometimes it's not the right fit, sometimes it's not the right time. A lot of different things going on. But if you make more appointments, look at your numbers. Second is, if you put more offer in front of people, right now doing 5, if you do 25 and you close just 5 of them, is 10K. So it all comes down to volume. You're doing the right things, but you need to look where I'm lacking. If I'm doing the content right, if I'm doing the relationship right, the appointments and offers right. If you're not doing any of these things like in right volume, right numbers, and it same goes for if you want to go to 20K, you want to increase that, but by the time you got at 20K, you have your results, your closing rate will increase, relationship will build faster, your content is more stronger. Think it like that. If you're in high ticket, like I see this every day, people quit after 2 months. They post for 1 day, they post for a week, they post for a month, and they say, oh, I'm not getting results. Did you track your numbers? How many conversations you had? How many offers you put out? If you didn't put a single offer in front of a single person, they're not gonna go, oh, I'm gonna buy from Paras today. Nobody wakes up and they say, oh, today I'm gonna talk to Paras and buy his offer. You need to make things happen as an entrepreneur. If you can't take things in your hand, it's not for you. Think it like that. This really, this was a light bulb move for me. Like, I can't control 10K still. I can't control 20K, but I can control these things. And not just in our coaching and high ticket affiliate spaces, any business, look at that. If you have a shoe store, how many people are coming in your business? If no one is coming, you have a goal like making $20,000 a month from your shoe store. If you're not tracking how many people are coming, then you don't even know what's wrong. And if you're tracking how many people are coming, oh, people are less. If I invest more in marketing, invest my store in more in marketing, people want to start coming. Simple as that. But you need to keep track of these numbers. Track of the numbers and focus on that, where I'm lacking. As everything will be fixed. And just so you know, again, I have a free Facebook group where you can learn more, go in detail, take implementable action. All that kind of videos have a lot of the interviews with big names. And please like and subscribe if you like this video. I will draw my Calendly link below. If you want to book a call with me, I'm here for you. I'm going to take your business $10,000 a month, and have a great day. Bye-bye.